Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, finally, a leaked Apple iPhone 16 video out in the wild, alleged iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium unboxing. Yes, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium hands-on video appears on the network. We are barreling towards the iPhone 16 launch event on September 9th, and ahead of it, the new iPhones are popping up in the wild. There is one video, wherein the regular iPhone 16 is shown in the rain, and another video shows us the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 16 Pro Max in a new color, reportedly called Desert Titanium. There were some speculations that it would have a goldish tint, but according to one leaked hands-on video, the device is definitely brown, not gold. What we are looking at is most likely a dummy, and not the real device, but nevertheless, the color is in line with previously seen real-life photos. All the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max colors will be called titanium. We expect titanium white, titanium black, titanium gray, and titanium gold. Now, the big question is, what will be the name of this hero color? Because rumors are suggesting either desert or gold. We also heard reports of rose, which is normally a pink hue, but odds are we won't know for sure until the September 9th event gets underway. The color isn't deep black, rather, it looks very metallic, dark gray with a matte finish. Since the modern iPhones have a water resistance rating like IP68, they should be fine in the rain. Let's see if the iPhone 16 series comes with the latest IP69 protection. The 9 in the certification means the device can withstand close-range high-pressure, high-temperature water jets, 80 to hooded bar and steam. The vertical camera stack isn't expected to be just a visual thing, but could be meant to encourage spatial video recording, which involves simultaneous recording from both cameras. In the video, we also see the rumored capture button for quick access to certain camera features. Needless to say, these could be dummy models since the videos don't show they're turned on screen. So, take these design impressions with a pinch of salt. Till then, here's a roundup of all rumored iPhone 16 features and details. The official launch of the iPhone 16 series is set for September 9th. There are 10 days until the event, in which we'll undoubtedly hear more rumors on the matter, but all will be revealed on the Tuesday after next. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.